we're doing our first winter drag race, and it's between our 100 horsepower Power Wheels Jeep and our Super Charged Barbie Jeep. But first, we have some serious repairs to do from our last test drive.
Well, that's the end of that.
Oh, here's the problem. This hub is split in half. And here's the solution. A whole bunch of 1/4-inch aluminum plate. I'm reinforcing a stock hub because obviously that's way easier than building a new one from scratch. First of all, I'm just making a plate because there's extra clearance on the backside here. So I just made this 1/4-inch thick plate that goes on here, and I'll just weld that on all the way around. I have a piece of cardboard here to mock this up, and I'll do a plate along this side, which will add a huge amount of strength because the way that it's split is from too much force this way.
Meanwhile, Sam's doing a sweet tune-up on Cindy.
Doing a little valve adjustment, stopping some leaks, and then yeah, we could run this supercharger apparently until it blows up. So that will be fun. I haven't actually got to drive it with this on there, but it sounds amazing, and Ethan was saying it's ripping pretty hard.
She does the donuts.
Yeah, so if you put it in 2-wheel drive and you brace the steering wheel with your knee, you can do donuts.
Nice.
That's how hard it is to keep this thing turned with these tracks on the front. It's ridiculous. Oh.
Cindy is requiring some serious maintenance today.
Yeah, so when I designed this supercharger drive off of the cam, I wanted it to have a weak point so that it would fail there instead of breaking the cam or the cam chain. Well, which was just that this would be driven by friction and pressure from this plate, but it constantly gets loose. So that's not the best design. So we gotta just pull it apart and tighten it up.
I love those we're done moments.
Yeah, we just had one because I'm an idiot and I fumbled a washer and it fell down into the bottom of the engine. So yeah, we're not gonna run it with a washer in there because that will ruin some stuff. So Cindy's done for the day, but all that means is that we get to just go have some fun with the Colonel.
Do we come up with an idea like this and it actually works?
I Actually, surprisingly often, I think. I don't know. We don't try these that often. They work out once in a while, so like maybe 50-50. I'd give it that at least.
So we're gonna zip line back to the house. We got everything fixed. Broke Cindy again. We got the drag race in though. That was the big thing we wanted. We got some donuts in, some zip lining in. Good day. These are the new zip lines at Ethan's house. They go from his back porch across the pond and across the rally track.
This one's not really user friendly.
You have to stand on an icy post.
And yeah, you know, just set up the strap here.
Then you throw your hand through the loop, so it kind of gravity feeds you on that bad boy. You can't let go if you wanted to.
And then this one's extra slow, so you gotta give it the old kickstart. That made it worse!
Oh no!
Oh, we're fine. We're definitely in a situation now.
Here, just drop the GoPro, you don't need that.
Okay. This is the old restart over.
Don't kick too hard, Sam.
That was my fault.
Well, Sam made it back to the house. So we're gonna go ahead and call that a win and end it there. Let us know what you wanna see us do next to Cinderella, because we're gonna be tearing apart the engine to get that out of there. So the sky's the limit. Ethan's going down the steep. No problem.
I think he can go up that for sure.
Oh yeah.
I think he's now gonna go up that.
I think he just realized the same thing you did.
Yeah, he was like feeling out the turn angle or approach angle, if you would. Gosh,
that seemed
insane.
a little sketchy.
Dude, that was out of this world.
That's how you send it.
Dude.
Well,
That was gnarly. You were like wheeling halfway.
Yeah, that was good. That was a good way to end it.
Oh yeah.